Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Audi Avant RS2. So one of our subscribers, he actually requested me to unbox this particular one in this specific color. So I bought it. So let's see how this one actually looks. So whoever requested that, I want you to drop me a comment. Once I post this video, once you see this video, so that way I will be able to remember. So okay, so honestly, man, out of the box, this really disappointed me. You just look at it. Now you are looking it in my perspective. Okay, so a little bit, not maybe not 100%, but little bit of my perspective now. Look at this here. Just look at this. Look at this paint job here. I mean, seriously, this. Look at this. Honestly, man, it is not good. It has tail light details. Okay, fine. It does have headlight details. But on what cost? You messed up rest of the thing. It does have rear view mirrors. Okay, the chassis is fully plastic and the body is fully metal. So we don't have this windshields for both the pillion and the driver or rider, if you may. It is not really heavy. It is a lightweight casting, to be honest. So it does have a wiper detail here on both sides, which is really nice. But I'm still really very disappointed on this paint job here. They really messed it up so bad. I mean, this kind of things makes you angry. The moment you open a casting, which you feel you are going to love it, or you loved something and you wanted to buy it, and after you bought it, it's fully messed up. Okay, let's do a roll test. Let's see how it performs. Okay, it rolls okay, and it doesn't roll in straight line. It goes in inclined way. It hits this side of the track, and both wheels wobble a lot. Honestly, Mattel really messed up this entire casting. When it comes to either paint job or rolling. But if these things change a little bit, this casting will be a lot more perfect, or at least beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.